My name is Chris and welcome to the Camper Dan Files. In today's video, we're going to button up a few odds and ends on my R50. It's a few things that I've been meaning to touch up on. I'm not sure if I'm going to get to every single item today, but I'm going to try. So the first item is going to be our door seals. Now in a previous Junkyard video, I mentioned that my door seals are starting to move away from the body of my truck. As you can see, here's an example there. Let's take a look at the other side. And as you can see, it's even worse over here too. See, it's moving away completely. And this is something that I've been wanting to fix for quite some time. I have the parts now. So I'm just gonna pull these old weather seals off and get the new supple ones put in place. Another thing I want to do too is replace on the passenger side floor mat here. This one has a huge oil stain. It's been like that since I acquired the R50. I'm not quite sure what caused it, but we're not going to worry about that because we're going to replace on it. Now just take a look at how much better this looks. Yeah, so much better. Looks so much better now. We'll wipe that down with some Armorall and should be good to go. One thing I do want to mention, this door sill or kick panel is still in good shape, but my driver's side one, it is broken, so it sticks up slightly, and that was like that before I got the truck. And you see a little piece of it missing right there too. So the next time I'm in the junkyard, I'm gonna get one of the door sills. I just have to remember to get the driver's side rear. So this is a 2002 R50 Pathfinder. I want to get this because mine is broken on this side of the R50, so I think I'm going to snag this. So again, this is going to require zero tools, but you do want to pack some patience. So you just pull this off. We got to get these two clips out of there because those aren't supposed to be there. Those metal retaining clips, so we'll get those out. So for these, all we're gonna do is come in like this with our flat head and push and wiggle. Same thing, push and wiggle. And that guy will come out. So our replacement trim has all three of those retaining clips. So you just wanna get it in place here, get it lined up. And then you're just gonna gently press until it snaps in. So you got it lined up there. Press. That one's in. There. Press them in. There. And that's as good as new. So we went ahead and removed the OEM passenger side front floor mat. And now we're gonna replace it with our Junkyard replacement that we washed. And it's all nice and clean and nice and supple. I love it. Looks good. So here's the original unit, guys. Let me show you what it looks like when it turns on. Of course it ain't gonna do it now. But you see this last zero? It'll be super duper dim, especially at night. You know, when you really need to see things. That sucks that it's not doing it right now. But believe you me, guys, it's just not doing what it's supposed to 100% of the time. It's working now because we're pointing it out on camera. Shame on you. But let's plug the replacement unit in so you guys can see what that looks like. Here's our replacement unit. And of course, this one's working correctly, but yeah, guys, that other clock, I'm telling you, it gets really, really dim. I'm not making this up. I really wish I was able to duplicate it for you guys, but of course, we know how vehicles are. They don't like to cooperate and show you what's actually going wrong when you're trying to document things. But you'll just have to take my word for it. Just resetting our clock here. Boom. One other item that I would like to fix is the Pathfinder badge. I still have it. The only issue is the 3M tape separated. Now I have some 3M tape laying around, but I haven't had the time nor the real want to sit there and tediously cut this thing out into the shape of these letters. But I would like to at least get this cleaned off. Now, I've already started scraping this away, guys. I doubt I'm gonna get it all to perfectly come off, but I'll do my best. But what I'm doing is using a small bottle of Goop Gone to remove the double-sided 3M adhesive tape. And once we get that off, then we could put our new 3M tape on and then get our Pathfinder emblem back on here. We went ahead and stuck the remnants of this 3M tape here, and we're gonna go ahead and take our time and scrape this off. See, we have most of the residue removed. We're just going over it. It's not gonna be 100% perfect, but we'll get it as close as we can, so that way the new adhesive can adhere correctly. I think that's going to be as good as we can get it. Like I said, guys, it's always the little things. If you've enjoyed today's video, go ahead and give it a like. And while you're at it, don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. My name is Chris, and thanks again for stopping by the Camper Dan Files. And until next time, keep using your Pathfinder as a Pathfinder, on or off the pavement. I just want to take this time to give a huge thank you to all of our current viewers and subscribers. We are now 752 strong. Let's keep it going, guys. You're all so very awesome. Till next time.